Hey guys, I am Miguel with Midnight Garage, and I had the pleasure of helping Joe with OCD, helping lift the 718 GT4 Porsche. And unfortunately, customer was having some issues getting out of his driveway where he would scrape the lip quite a bit. So we were able to find a lift kit for it that lift up the front suspension on it. So we were able to install air cups on his original suspension, as well as an air compressor system that would lift up and down with the push of a button that we were actually able to program to his home link buttons on the bottom of his mirror. So he had easy access and being able to properly lift up and down the Porsche very, very easily within a matter of seconds. Since the suspension did change, we were able to adjust the heights to properly match the front and the rear and have it balanced. And we were also able to fully realign the car. If you guys ever need any help with something similar to this, with any other vehicle, we'd be more than happy to help you out. Our phone number is 510-566-0046. And we're also very conveniently located just a few seconds away from Joe, OCD shop. Thank you guys.